In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple and fun way to make your own animated talking avatar using AI tools. Stick around to see how you can bring your creations to life with just a few clicks. First, open the Play Store and install CapCut on your mobile device. After installing CapCut, open the app and log in with your Gmail account. Now, click on the Text Chart Image button and use the prompt provided in the video description. You can customize it according to your requirements. For example, if I am using a female character, you can change it to male. Keep generating until you get good character. You will get different results, so try to achieve the best and clearest outcome. Now, select your image and click on the Upscale button. After upscaling, download your image. This image generating method is optional. You can use any other tool like Bing Image Generator or Leonardo AI. We aim to get good results. Our generated image has two problems. First, the quality is not good. And second, we need a full studio image, like the one you already saw at the beginning of the video. To fix this issue, open Canva and choose the YouTube thumbnail template. Upload your image, set it in the center, and adjust as needed. Then, go to Edit Photo, click the Magic Expand button, select Whole Page Expand, and click the Magic Expand button again. Wait for the results. And now you can pick the image you like or regenerate if the results are not satisfactory. Finally, download the edited image by clicking on the Share button. To enhance the professionalism of the image, open Adobe Firefly and use the Generate Fill tool. Upload your image, select the part where you want to make changes or add items. For example, I want to add a laptop. Type in the prompt and click the Generate button. Choose an image that you find suitable. Additionally, you can add a microphone for a more professional look. After making these customizations, download the image. But if you encounter an annoying watermark issue, to fix it, open clipdrop.co and select the text remover or cleanup tool. Upload your image, choose the watermark area, and then click on the Clean button. After that, download the image, and you'll notice there's no watermark. However, before proceeding to the next step, enhance your image. Open Crea AI, create a free account, click on Upscale and Enhance, upload your image, choose the photorealistic style, set the AI strength to 70 or 80, and click on the Enhance button. Now, your image is ready for the next step. Finally, download the enhanced image. Next, go to artflow.ai, create a free account, and click on Video Studio. Press the Create Video button. In the Upload section, upload your avatar image and select it. Artflow will automatically detect your avatar image's face. If it fails to detect, it indicates that your image may not be clear or enhanced properly. That's why I guided you through these steps to ensure you don't waste time. Now, click on the mic button to enable animation in artflow.ai. Select a voice actor, paste your script, and preview it or use your own voice.
This demo video by Saeed AI showcases cutting-edge subscriber engagement strategies.
After these steps, click on the Export and Animate button, type the video title, and click on Export. Your video is now ready, but you may notice a watermark lingering, much like a persistent companion. A joke, of course. To address this, open Media.io, go to the video section and then select the watermark remover. Now click on Try It Online button. Upload your video, select the watermark, and click on the Remove Object button. Finally, your video is ready for a demo without any watermark.
This demo video by Saeed AI showcases cutting-edge subscriber engagement strategies. With seamless integration and personalized content, it revolutionizes user experiences. Explore the future of AI-driven subscriber interactions today.